Are you making these common food mistakes that harm your eyes? Never eat carrot with these foods as it can cause vision loss. Carrots are hailed as the ultimate vision superfood, but did you know some food combinations can secretly sabotage their benefits? Here are 6 eatable items that you should avoid combining with carrots due to potential adverse effects on vision health, based on nutrient interactions and digestion concerns. On to number 6 comes sugar-laden desserts, e.g. carrot cake with excessive sugar. Why you should never eat carrots with sugar-laden desserts. Did you know your favorite carrot cake might secretly be harming your eyes? Carrots are famous for their beta-carotene, a powerhouse nutrient that protects your vision. But when paired with excessive sugar, like in sugary desserts, the health benefits of carrots take a dramatic hit. High sugar consumption spikes blood sugar levels, putting you at risk of diabetic retinopathy, a serious condition that damages the blood vessels in your eyes, potentially leading to vision loss. The excessive sugar doesn't just cancel out the benefits, it actively harms your body. Over time, the damage caused by sugar outweighs the protective effects of the carrot's nutrients. The next time you reach for a sugary carrot dessert, think twice. Pairing carrots with healthier options can preserve your vision and keep your eyes sharp for years to come. Protect your sight, your future self will thank you. 5. Excessive dairy products, e.g. milk or cream in carrot dishes. This common mistake with carrots could be ruining your vision. Carrots are a vision-boosting superstar, packed with beta-carotene, a nutrient your eyes crave. But here's the shocking truth. Drowning your carrots in excessive dairy, like milk or cream, could sabotage their benefits. High amounts of saturated fats in dairy block your body's ability to absorb beta-carotene, making the carrot's vision-protecting powers almost useless. Imagine eating carrots thinking you're doing something great for your eyes, only to have their nutrients wasted. Over time, this unhealthy combination may even put you at risk of missing out on the protection your eyes need against age-related vision problems. So, what's the solution? Pair carrots with healthy fats like olive oil or nuts to supercharge beta-carotene absorption. Don't let this hidden trap harm your eyesight. Ditch the cream-heavy carrot dishes and let your eyes reap the full benefits of this superfood. Protect your vision today. 4. Iron-rich foods, e.g. spinach or red meat. Are you accidentally cancelling carrots' eye benefits? Here's the truth about iron. Carrots are a go-to food for boosting vision thanks to their beta-carotene. But here's a surprising fact. Eating them with iron-rich foods like spinach or red meat could undo their benefits. Iron, while essential for your body, can interfere with the absorption of carotenoids, the very compounds that make carrots a superfood for your eyes. Think of it as a traffic jam inside your body. Iron takes the front seat, leaving beta-carotene stuck in the back, unable to work its magic. Over time, this mismatch may reduce the protection your eyes need to fend off vision problems like macular degeneration. The fix? Space out your meals. Enjoy your carrots on their own, or with foods that complement their nutrients. Don't let this simple mistake steal your vision's potential. Make the right food combinations, and let your eyes thrive for years to come. 3. High oxalate foods, e.g. beet greens or rhubarb. Carrots are loaded with vision-enhancing nutrients like vitamin A, but did you know eating them with high oxalate foods like beet greens or rhubarb could dull their benefits? Here's why. Oxalates bind to calcium in your body, reducing its absorption. This disruption indirectly lowers the availability of vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for protecting your eyesight. Think of it this way. Carrots are trying to deliver essential vision-boosting benefits, but oxalates act like a roadblock, preventing your body from getting what it needs. Over time, this can lead to weaker eye health, leaving your vision more vulnerable to problems like night blindness or macular degeneration. Want to avoid this trap? Steer clear of combining carrots with oxalate-rich foods. Instead, pair them with low-oxalate, calcium-friendly options to ensure your eyes get the full benefits of this superfood. Don't let the wrong combos compromise your vision. 2. Alcohol and carrots, a dangerous combination for your vision. Carrots are a vision superhero packed with vitamin A to keep your eyes healthy and sharp. But here's the shocking truth. Pairing carrots with alcohol could cancel out their benefits entirely. Alcohol interferes with the absorption of vitamin A, the very nutrient carrots are celebrated for. Over time, this can lead to a vitamin A deficiency, leaving your vision vulnerable to problems like night blindness or even more serious conditions. Imagine this. You enjoy a carrot-packed meal, thinking you're protecting your eyes, but alcohol undoes all the good. The damage adds up, especially with regular alcohol consumption, potentially weakening your eyesight in the long run. Want to preserve your vision? Skip the alcohol when enjoying carrots. Instead, pair them with healthy fats or nutrient-rich foods to amplify their benefits. Your eyes deserve the best. Don't let alcohol steal the protection carrots provide. Cheers to better eye health, alcohol-free. 1. Fried foods plus carrots as a recipe for vision trouble. Here's why. Carrots are a nutrient powerhouse for your eyes, but when paired with fried foods, their benefits are greatly diminished. The culprit? Trans fats found in fried snacks and chips. These unhealthy fats block the absorption of beta-carotene, the fat-soluble nutrient in carrots responsible for promoting healthy vision. Imagine eating carrots for their eye-boosting benefits, only to have fried foods undermine their effectiveness. Over time, this poor pairing could leave your eyes without the nutrients they need to fight off conditions like macular degeneration and night blindness. Want to protect your vision? Skip the fried foods when enjoying carrots. Instead, pair them with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, which enhance beta-carotene absorption. Don't let trans fats rob you of one of the simplest ways to support your eyesight. Ditch the chips and savor your carrots the right way. Your eyes will thank you. For maximum benefits, carrots are best enjoyed with foods rich in healthy fats, like nuts or olive oil, to enhance the absorption of their vision-protecting beta-carotene. Thanks for watching.